Our corn's almost ready. Probably one more week. I'm gonna start harvesting and grilling some. Check it out. So the little hairs are starting to turn brown, meaning it's been pollinated, all the little corn in there. We tried doing the Three Sisters, but the gophers ate the bean that was growing on this one. This one over here has it. Is the Trail Tears, Cherokee Trail Tears, black bean. Has a cool little purple flower. And then we got our squash growing in there, and tomatillos everywhere. They just became like a weed. '26 harvest is here.